How to post vertical photos on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video we will discuss how we can post vertical photos to our Instagram feed. So you will simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now I will show you what the issue is. When you open up Instagram and then you want to post a new photo that you've taken, you tap on the plus icon over here and then you simply select a photo, but then you notice that it is actually not in a format that you actually kind of wish, because you can see it's vertical and it's simply not showing up in the full screen mode, as you could clearly see over here. Now why does this happen? Before we try to fix it, this happens because Instagram has an ideal size for their Instagram post, and that is 1080 into 1080 pixels, which means it needs to be equal on both sides. It needs to be 1080 pixels on the upper and it needs to be 1080 pixels on the right hand side and the left hand side respectively as well. And 1080 by 1080 pixels is the ideal resolution for Instagram to upload their post, and anything above or beyond that is actually quite abnormal. You will not be able to post it in a full format. You just simply want to keep that in mind. But let's say that you have the camera app on your phone itself. So if I go ahead and open up my camera app, you want to also optimize this camera application in order to post photos for Instagram. It also can be customized in the Canva format. In that case, you would need to tap on the button which is at the very top. You can see resolution, so you can optimize this for Instagram, which is quite ideal. So the one like the square icon is actually a very ideal format for Instagram, so you want to keep that in mind. But coming on to the issue, if I open up Instagram again and let's say you wanted to post a vertical picture, right? So what you can do is, instead of posting it like this, which means to crop it in a square format, you can just press this little arrow icon on the left hand side. Though it is not going to upload it in the full resolution, it is actually going to get half of those into your main feed, which is that after you post it, you will not be able to see this blank checks on the right hand side as you currently see over here, because that is going to be removed after you post them. It is not going to show up on your profile feed, and it is also not going to show up on the main post as well, because this is by far the only thing that I can think of, and Instagram has not really officially released any of the features where you can post vertical photos and full size photos like Facebook actually does. Hope this video helped you out. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.